Welcome back, everyone. It's StoryTime English channel, and I'm so happy to see you here again. Today, we're going to talk about something almost all of us do these days. Online shopping. It's quick, it's comfortable, and it can save you a lot of time. But just like in real life, shopping online also has some risks. That's why today I will share with you some practical tips that will help you shop safely and avoid problems. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next stories and useful lessons. Choosing a seller. The very first step to safe online shopping is to choose the right seller. In the physical world, you can see the store with your own eyes. But online, things are different. How can you know if a seller is reliable? First, check reviews. Always read what other customers say. If a seller has many positive reviews and high ratings, it's usually a good sign. But if there are many negative comments about poor quality or late delivery, it's better to avoid that seller. Second, look for details. A trustworthy seller usually provides clear information about the product, including photos, descriptions, and specifications. If the description is too short or looks suspicious, that's a red flag. Finally, check the website security. Before you buy anything, look at the address bar in your browser. This means your personal information, like your credit card details, will be protected. If the site only shows HTTP without the S, it's better not to enter any private information there. Payment methods. When you are ready to buy, you need to think carefully about how to pay. Safe payment is just as important as choosing the right seller. First, avoid direct transfers. If someone asks you to send money directly to their bank account, be careful. It's difficult to get your money back in case of a problem. Second, use secure platforms. Credit cards, PayPal, or other trusted payment services often offer buyer protection. This means if something goes wrong, you may be able to get a refund. Finally, check for suspicious offers. If the price looks too good to be true, it probably is. Scammers often use extremely low prices to attract buyers. Delivery. Another important part of online shopping is delivery. After all, you want your product to arrive on time and in good condition. First, check shipping costs. Sometimes the product looks cheap, but the delivery price is very high. Always check the total cost before you pay. Second, know the delivery time. Some items may take only a few days, while others, especially international orders, can take weeks. Make sure the delivery time works for you. Finally, ask for a tracking number. A good seller usually provides a tracking code. This way, you can follow your package online and know exactly where it is. If your package is late, you can contact the seller and ask for details. Returns and refunds. What happens if the product is not what you expected. Maybe it's broken, the wrong size, or simply not the same as in the picture. That's why you should always check the return policy before buying. First, read the rules. A reliable website explains clearly how you can return an item, how many days you have to do it, and who pays for the return shipping. Second, follow the instructions. If you need to return something, carefully follow the steps the seller gives you. This will increase your chances of getting your money back quickly. Finally, keep all receipts and emails. Save every message, order confirmation, and shipping receipt until the process is finished. This way, you have proof if there is a problem. Extra tips. Here are a few additional tips to make your online shopping experience even safer. Don't use public Wi-Fi when shopping online. Someone could steal your personal information. Create strong passwords for your shopping accounts. Don't use 12,345 or your birthday. Limit how much personal information you share. A store doesn't need to know everything about you. Be careful with emails or links that look strange. Scammers often send fake messages that look like they are from a real store. Online shopping is convenient, fast, and often cheaper than shopping in physical stores. But at the same time, it requires you to be smart and careful. By choosing a safe seller, using secure payment methods, checking delivery options, and understanding return policies, you can protect yourself and enjoy a much better shopping experience. I hope these tips were useful for you. Which do you prefer? Shopping online or going to the store in person? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to StoryTime English channel. Hit the bell icon and stay with us for more clear English stories and practical advice. See you next time.